Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 25 plus free Udemy courses with certification. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. So let's get started. The first course is Web Development with Django. In this course, you will learn Django for backend development, Python language used within Django. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, one article, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access to mobile and TV, assigned and certification completion. The next course is Digital Marketing Strategy 2021 Start from Scratch. In this course, you will learn build an internet marketing strategy for your project in 2021, increase sales with online marketing tools, understand the fundamental principle of internet marketing, 7 steps to build a digital strategy, competitive analysis, work with analytic tools, the right way to draw a portrait of a target audience, find effective traffic tools for your niche, make a media plan. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 2 articles, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access mobility and certification completion. The next course is Python Introduction to Data Science and Machine Learning A to Z. In this course, you will understand the basics of Python programming, learn all the basic mathematical concepts, understand the basics of data science and how to perform it using Python, learn of use of different Python tools specialized for data science, improve your new Python programming by integrating a new concept, learning the basic of machine learning, perform various analysis with Skylern, finish the course with a complete understanding of the core concept of data science and all required tools performed in it. This course is 7.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, access mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Core Java Programming Language Tutorial for Beginners. In this course, you will learn the basic of Java programming language and start developing your own Java application. This course is 5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, access mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Database Testing, MySQL and PostgreSQL Practical Test. This course is 3 practice tests, full lifetime access, access mobile. The next is AZ900 Microsoft Excel Fundamentals Practice Test 2021. This course is 6 practice tests, full lifetime access, access mobile. The next is PDE Google Professional Data Engineering Exam March 21. This course is 3 practice tests, full lifetime access, access mobile. The next course is Ethical Hacking Hand-on Training Part 1. In this course, you will learn use visualization as it's applied to penetration testing, discover, scan and exploit network vulnerability, demonstrate the ability to perform an entry-level penetration test, hack and secure wired network, hack secure system using client-side and social engineering attack, create a virtual install of Kali Linux, learn Linux fundamentals. This course is 9.5 on-demand video, 7 articles, full lifetime access, access mobile ID, and certification completion. The next course is Upgrading Computer Network from Windows 7 to Windows 10. In this course, you are planning to upgrade project, auditing your network environment, communicating with deployment with your organization, preparing your help desk team for additional incoming query, disposing the old equipment securely. This course is 32 minutes on-demand video, full lifetime access, access mobile ID, and certification completion. The next course is CompTIA Network Plus N10 007 Practice Test. This course will use 5 practice tests, full lifetime access, access mobile. The next is 250 Symantec Cluster Server 6.1 for Unix Manager Exam. This course will use 5 practice tests, full lifetime access, access mobile. The next is CISM Information Security Management Program Practice Test. This course will use 3 practice tests, full lifetime access, access mobile. The next is CISM Asset Informational CSIN Protection Certified Practice Test. This course includes 4 practice tests, full lifetime access, access mobile. The next is 2021 Ultimate Guide to YouTube channel and YouTube Masterclass. In this course, you will learn what is YouTube and how to use YouTube, beginner, intermediate, and advanced step of YouTube growth, how to create and grow YouTube channel from scratch, how to record your first YouTube video, how to scale YouTube channel, how to get more YouTube views, how to get more YouTube subscribers, constant updates, as YouTube Seaward. This course is 10.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, access mobile ID, and certification completion. The next is 2021 Program Management Professional. This course will do 4 practices for lifetime access Excel mobile. The next is 2021 new version of LG PMI PPM exam. PPM simulated 97% pass. This course will 6 practices for lifetime access Excel mobile. The next is 2020 PMI Scheduling Professional B Pro Planner. This course will 4 practices for lifetime access Excel mobile. The next was the picture and video collection by artificial intelligence. In this course, you will convert any old or black which picture or video to coloration and upscale or 4K automatically in just minute. Automatically colorize and improve the quality of any picture in just second. Automatically colorize any old video in just minute. Automatically upscale any video to Ultra HD 4K and 60 FPS. Simply introduced to AI and deep learning for image processing and computer vision, color correction of any picture, and quality boost using Adobe Photoshop, color correction of any video, and quality boosting using Adobe Premium CC. Idea and insight of makeup business based on these new amazing skills, data and library for old footage and historical videos, lifetime support of best these course skills, top reference and paper for coloration, deep learning algorithms, color grading for both videos and photos. This coaching one only one your full lifetime variety and certification commission. The next course is Master Hard Surface Modeling in Maya 2020. In this course you will learn how to use Maya, how to learn Maya modeling tools, how to master professional modeling technique. This course is 36.5 on demand your 10 downloadable full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV and certification commission. The next course is Master SolidWorks 2021 3D CAD using real world example. In this course, you will learn 2021 version of best selling SolidWorks 3D CAD course. Learn modeling for any use for 3D printing to pro use. Now, this course is 19 on demand video, well downloadable service full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. The next course is Modeling and Rendering Cube Character in Maya 2020. In this course, you will learn how to use Maya tool to create 3D modeling and how to use lighting and rendering techniques to finish a model and make it look professional. This course is 10.5 on demand video for downloadable service full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Master Hard Surface Modeling in Maya 2020. In this course, you will learn how to use Maya, how to learn Maya modeling tools, how to master professional modeling technique. This course is 36.5 on demand video, 10 downloadable service full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is complete introduction into video creating and video marketing. In this course, you will learn video creation, video editing, and Adobe Premiere, video SEO, YouTube marketing, YouTube SEO, and Facebook video ads. These courses are on demand video, 20 downloadable service, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Start Selling Online on Daraz e-commerce in Pakistan. In this course, you will learn e-commerce, dropshipping, online business, product research. This course will 3 on demand video, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is International Logistics and Transportation in Supply Chain. In this course, you will understand different mode of an international transport and logistics in shipment planning, calculate free jet rate for less container load and full container volume calculation for cargo in ship and air logistics, the Incoterms, and understand the best student as exporter and importer and logistic professional understood the importance of cargo insuranceing in logistic and supply chain management, role of freight forwarder and their importance in logistic and supply chain management, custom clearance and access code system in logistic, calculate custom duty for export and import logistic, document involved in international shipping and logistic, air logistic, freight calculation, practical case study and charge calculation with example of logistic in supply chain management. This course is 2.5 on demand video, one article that is downloadable full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Business Plan Success. In this course, you will learn how to write business plan, how to conduct market research, how to estimate total startup cost, how to project revenue and profit, how to attract investors, how to anticipate challenge, how to compete for the startup. This course is 30 minutes on demand video, 3 downloadable service, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is All Export Documentation and Procedure for 2021 any country. In this course, you will learn how to carry out export transaction and operation, what is typical export procedure for exporting any good or service, what are steps involved in making export shipment, what are pre-shipment export documents, what are post-shipment export documents, what is letter of credit, what after signing an export contract, how to get payment for export shipment through bank, what are the principal commercial export documents, what are regulative export documents in country of export, what are transaction, what are transfer document in a typical export transaction. This question 4.5 only one video, that is the article full left text is exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is becoming a recruitment and selection specialist. In this course, we will learn understanding the selection process, recognizing the pro model, interview and question process, discovering way to retain the talent, and measuring growth. This course will to our only one year full lifetime access, exam volunteer and certification commission. The next course is Unleash Your Motivation and Boost Your Energy 30 Guide. In this course, you will learn what is motivation and how to boost it, 3 powerful way to boost your motivation hack and to feel more motivated and more alive during the day. Motivation deep. This course in 31 weeks, only one video, one article, one downloadable versus with full text, extra warranty and certification commission. The next course is symbol 1, Asian Egyptian symbol in mythology and religion. In this course, you will learn classical archaeology of ancient Egypt in royal, sacred and funny content. This course is 1.5, only one video, 8 downloadable versus with full text, extra warranty and certification commission. The next course is Hindi 1 hour public speaking course. In this course, you will learn mastering of presentation skills and public skills. This course is 1 hour, only one video, one article, 4 downloadable versions, full text, exam, mobile TV, and certification commission. All the links of the course are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video with friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.